Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play elevator on bass. First, let's establish the foundational rhythm. Begin by plucking a low E string, then in a string, using a steady quarter note pulse. This simple, repetitive pattern creates the song's signature groove. Focus on a consistent, even attack for each note to maintain a smooth, flowing sound. Practice this slowly, perhaps at 60 beats per minute, to build accuracy and develop strong muscle memory. This will set you up for success. Next, let's explore the chord progression. Elevator typically uses a simple I Roman 4V progression, often in the key of C major. This means you'll primarily be playing C, F, and G notes. Focus on hitting the root note of each chord to clearly outline the harmony. You can also add the fifth or octave of each root for a fuller sound. For example, after C, you might play a G, then back to C. Listen closely to the original track to internalize these key note choices and their timing. Now, let's add some flair with fills and dynamics. During the song's breaks, try a simple fill, perhaps a quick slide or a short run of 3 or 4 notes. Vary your attack to create dynamic contrast, play some notes softer and others with more punch. You can also incorporate ghost notes by lightly touching the strings for a percussive, muted sound. Remember, these embellishments should enhance the core groove, not distract from it. Keep the main rhythm solid while adding these tasteful touches. Finally, here are some essential practice and performance tips. Always practice with a metronome to develop impeccable timing and a rock-solid rhythm. Playing along with the original elevator track is crucial for internalizing its feel and subtle nuances. Record yourself frequently. Listening back helps you identify areas needing improvement. Remember to stay relaxed, maintaining proper hand positioning to prevent fatigue during longer playing sessions. With consistent practice, you'll master this fun bass line in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.